Doesn't stop there. And finally, he big that and he told him, hey, shut up.
We're in operation.
We're live. Where he lost his leg. And then when he got down, he was looking to the forest. There was all the people behind him. He said, oh, it's inside this fucking forest that I lost my fucking leg. He turned around, he looked behind him and he said, if you find it, give it to me. This guy lost always. I had a friend with him 1 month before he passed to go in America. He made a short movie with his phone. On the movie, he got always a big smile. I think when he passed away, he had a smile on his face. This guy was unbelievable. But in Compton, Don Monarchy, they come together in 2007. Don Monarchy passed away a few months ago, maybe 6 months. But in Compton also. But Don Monarchy passed away 6 months ago, maybe, I don't remember.
I think there's only 7 or 9 on the
Yeah, and why I told you that, because you asked me about it, it was a good series, a good movie, but here in Bastogne there was 2 big mistakes. They talk about a Belgian nurse who passed away in the church because of the bombing, Christmas Eve. This is not true. She doesn't pass away in the church because she doesn't work there. She was working next to the main square, 50 meters. René Lemaire is there.
Oh, this is the nurse.
And she passed away effectively because of the bombing during Christmas Eve. She was 30 years old. She was never married. Normally, she doesn't live anymore in Bastogne. She lives in Brussels because she works over there. But for everybody, the war will be done for Christmas. The Germans go back at home. It will be done for Christmas. So she come back here in Bastogne for a few weeks to see her parents. The parents of René Lemaire at the hardware store on the main square of I will show you a picture later. And so she come back here. But I told you that the medical company was taken by the Germans. There was not a lot of medical care, so they had to put people to help them, and René Lemaire helped them. But she passed away. Not in the church, but 50 meters from the main square. First mistake.
And she worked with a black Congolese.
Second mistake. In this movie, there was a black girl, a black nurse with her. In the movie, her name was Anna. Anna was her name in the movie. Big mistake, because it was not Anna, it was Augusta. Augusta Chiwi. Yeah. Her mother was from Congo. She was mixed. She survived of the explosion of the medical post, okay? And together, both of them worked with an American doctor, Jack Prior. And this guy, he bring back to the barracks just after the explosion, Augusta Chiwi. Augusta Chiwi works in the shooting range. There was a medical post. She told us that there was 600 soldiers wounded. And it's a shame, because a lot of them don't want to receive medical care from her because she was black. It's a big guy, no? She survived until 2016.
That's my favorite.
Nice. This is funny. This would be funny to frame and have in your house.
No one would understand it. That dude has a swastika tattooed to his ass. I am sorry, mein Führer.
To the German.
To the German.
Nuts. Dude, just nuts.
The American commander.
It doesn't even say who, it just says the American commander.
Have you never?
I loved how savage dudes were back then. Just freaking
Yeah, we had to get out of there. Get hot.
Did you see what it actually looked like? What is actual,
the actual letter.
or
It's
what
just
is,
type.
how hilarious is
To
that?
the German commander. Nuts.
Hmm.
From the American commander. Just a bunch of hard dicks. Barrel chested freedom fighters.
Wow, that's hot, nice. Very cool.
So I'm assuming this would have been the room he would have typed it up in. So wait, gold. That would be a major, and that's a lieutenant colonel. Okay. We were talking about the color there because I know it's the same emblem, but it's a different color. Very cool.